Very good evening to all of you students. Beta, we have already started with the hydrogen. Last class I did oxidation and reduction, but again I'm going to just revise this because today we are going to do agents. We are going to do what, beta? Okay. So let us start. Last class we have done this, beta. Okay. But again I'm revising this because to understand beta agent and redox reaction, you should know what is oxidation, addition of oxygen. Reduction is what? Addition of hydrogen. Oxidation is what, beta? Removal of, and here it will be removal of oxygen. Okay. Then beta here oxidation is also what, beta? Leo. Oxidation is also what, beta? Pay attention here, enough. Leo means what? Loss of electron is oxidation. Loss of electron is oxidation. And Germany में what you have to remember? Gain of electron is reduction. Gain of electron is reduction. बेटा बहुत मारूंगा उठूंगा ठीक है ना बस ए we are just revising this here beta in this beta there will be increase in charge here there will be what beta and here it will be decrease in charge clear है now I want you all to tell me beta what is happening in this reaction ठीक है suppose beta if I'm writing this चलो यहाँ पे देखो बेटा okay okay pay attention okay if I write this reaction so now tell me it is what is happening here addition of hydrogen. So addition of hydrogen is which reaction? Reduction. Okay, now look here. Calcium plus oxygen. So what I'm adding, beta, tell me. So it is which reaction? Are you getting it or not? Tell me, beta. So this is in terms of addition of hydrogen and oxygen. Aksaj beta, this is in what? Addition of hydrogen, addition of oxygen. Now, if I give you in terms of charge, in terms of charge or electron. So suppose beta, if I write this, sodium loses one electron and it becomes Na1 plus. An atom is always electrically neutral. Acha, this is loss of electron or not? Leo. But beta, you will get confused if you see the electron because I can write it on left hand side also as well as I can write it on right hand side. So atom is electrically neutral. और यहाँ पे क्या हो गया? This is your reactant side and this is your product. What is happening? Zero is bigger number or one? हाँ, very good beta. Zero. One. So what has happened? Charge has increased or decreased? So therefore it is which reaction? Oxidation. Now beta, if I write this particular reaction, chlorine plus electron, it gives you Cl1 minus. So chlorine, all atom is electrically neutral or not? Tell me. So zero. And here it is with charge. So I gave you the trick. Do you remember, beta? Look, beta. If I number line, if I go in this direction, then it is what? Oxidation. If I go in this direction, then it is what? Reduction. Decrease in number line. If I go on this side, then it is reduction. If I go on this side, then it is what, beta? ए भाई हीरो इधर देख समझा ना so here it is 0 to it is becoming -1 so charge has increased or decreased tell me decreased so it is undergoing what beta reduction okay now suppose beta if I write this please pay attention here I've written here Fe3 plus then it becomes Fe2 plus and I've written like this now you have to see beta now if you see the electron you will get confused I have written perfectly right it is. Everything is right. I can change the position of electron. You don't look at the electron. You don't look at the electron. Here it is what beta? 3 plus and here it is how much? So charge bada ya kam hua? Bada. Here which number is bigger? 3 plus is bigger or 2 plus is bigger? So what has happened to the charge? तो फिर क्या हो जाएगा बोलो बेटा अरे ये तू कर मत ये बराबर लिखा है मैंने पागल इसको मैंने चेंज किया है खाली सर आप वो कर चुपचाप बैठ पहले जो बोला यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है रिडक्शन नाउ बेटा लुक हियर द सेम रिएक्शन आई कैन राइट दिस वे और नॉट टेल मी ओके या नाउ अगेन इफ यू सी नाउ टेल मी व्हाट इज हैपनिंग no don't look at the electron again I'm telling you look at the charge AD this is 2 plus and this is what 3 can't you understand increase in charge Yeah, tell me. Okay, what is you don't have? Okay, I'll tell you first. You see this number line. Number line mein beta, if I go in this direction, it is what? If I go in this direction, then now, acha, so it is increase in charge, and here it is what? Decrease in charge.
अरे तो वो दो आयर वाला होता है ना
Now tell me, dear, what is happening here? 3 plus 2, 2. So charge has increased or decreased? Tell me.
Decrease.
So it is what? Reduction. Acha, charge here it has increased or decreased?
Oxidation.
Have you understood now?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Any difficulty till here?
Yes, sir.
Chalo. Now we go to the next part. Here.
Well,
Yeah. कौन सी दुनिया में खो गए थे बेटा यहाँ पे देखिए. Okay. Now, very important point, beta. Now, I will give you one reaction and I will tell you who is undergoing oxidation, who is undergoing reduction.
Sir.
Then, beta, they will say who is oxidizing agent and who is reducing.
Agent.
So now, agent thing we have not written. We have written only oxidation reduction. Now we are going to go for this part, beta. So whatever thing I am going to tell, don't write. I am going to give you different thing. I am going to give you different thing. Okay. So this is something not required right now. Okay. No. Arey no, beta. What?
Take photo.
customer under
Answer.
his choice.
Okay. Now just shut your mouth and pay attention. This is very important thing. Listen. क्या है बात नहीं. हाँ डाल दे फेंक दूंगा फाड़ के फेंक दूंगा ना
Sir, मैं fast.
ए इधर आ.
That hurts.
हो गया तेरा नाटक. फोन तेरा बैग के अंदर. फोन बैग के अंदर. All of you. Phone should be inside the bag. Inside the bag. This boy here. Pay attention here. Keep your book ready. Okay. I'll.
With this.
Enough. Pay attention here, beta. Now, okay. Listen here, all of you. Now, suppose I am a bank.
Commerce and
Okay,
science.
just shut your mouth and just listen. You all are customer. You all are what?
Customer.
Okay. You all need a loan. You all need what? Loan. You all need what? Loan. So you came to me, okay? Here, and you asked for the loan. So what I'm giving bank, I'm the bank. I'm giving you loan. Loan matlab money. Money. I'm giving you what, beta? Beta, यहाँ पे देख. Hey, I'm giving her loan. I'm giving her. So look, I'm losing money or not? Tell me.
Yes.
पकड़ बेटा ये हाँ. Okay.
Okay, we both are customer.
Listen to the concept. Okay. So I have lost money. Now replace money by what, beta? Electron. Loss of electron is what, beta? Oxidation. So I'm undergoing which process? And you all are customers. She's representing you all. You are gaining money, right? Or you replace money by electron. So you are undergoing which process? Reduction. Thank you. Now, wait, listen. So bank has undergone what, beta? Loss of, I lost money. Pay attention here and listen to the concept. I'm undergoing what, beta? I lost money.
Oxidation.
Oxidation. And customer, you have
Reduction.
Now imagine, beta. Listen. अगर बेटा कस्टमर होता ही नहीं तो क्या मैं ये पैसे दे पाता? तो because of you all, I'm undergoing what? Oxidation. Yeah. So you all are bringing my अक्षर बेटा ध्यान में दे, अब नहीं समझेगा बाद में बेटा, ठीक है ना? You all are bringing my what? आप लोगों की वजह से मेरा ऑक्सीडेशन हुआ कि नहीं? तो you all are acting as which? We are behaving as which agent? ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट। ध्यान देना, कुछ पीरियड है पता नहीं है तो ध्यान देना यहाँ पे। मैं यहाँ पे बता रहा हूँ तेरे को, पहला मैंने क्या बोला, आप लोगों की वजह से आई लॉस्ट माई मनी, आई लॉस्ट माई इलेक्ट्रॉन्स बिकॉज ऑफ यू, आई हैव अंडरगोन ऑक्सीडेशन, बट बिकॉज ऑफ यू ऑल राइट, so you all are acting as which agent?
Oxidize.
अच्छा, बैंक अगर होता ही नहीं तो आपको ये पैसा मिलता नहीं मिलता? तो अच्छा, तो आप लोगों को ने जब पैसा मिला तो आप क्या बन गए? आप विच प्रोसेस में यू गॉन? रिडक्शन। लेकिन अगर मैं होता ही नहीं तो आप लोगों का रिडक्शन हो पाता? तो मैं एजेंट कौन सा हूँ? अच्छा, ये प्रोसेस में क्या हुआ, मैंने पैसे दिए, I gave money, I undergo what? Oxidation. You gain money, you undergo what? So now reduction. You all undergo under what? Reduction or not? Tell me. So beta, whenever any reaction is taking place, if somebody is undergoing oxidation, then other person will always undergo what? So now in this reaction, both the thing is happening. And in the process of giving loan, both thing is happening. I am undergoing oxidation, you are undergoing reduction. So a reaction in which both the reaction take place is called as redox. Why? Reduction का क्या लिया? Red. Oxidation. So here reduction and oxidation take place. Fine. Now you write this. Very, very important. Write it. Write it. You will continue from the last time. Last time, whatever you had done, you will continue from that. You will continue from that.
Scale chair.
कोई जरूरत नहीं बेटा, अपना काम कर. Nobody asked for the scale from you. Beta, what happened to this hand?
Dries.
सर गलती से मेरे पास दो वर्ड्स
दो ही
वो है तो दो दे दे मुझे.
दो ही है.
दो नहीं, डबल डबल ले लिया. हाँ तो मुझे दे दे, चल एक मिनट. लिखा नहीं है ना कुछ भी उसमें?
नहीं उसको कुछ नहीं.
हाँ दे दे बेटा, इधर दे.
पास इट और
पास इट प्लीज. थैंक यू.
Does anybody
Myra, balancing you did wrong now. I'll do it again. Today only I'm going to do it. We are not going to wait. Hey, boys, अगर जरा भी आवाज नहीं चाहिए मेरे को. Hey, don't body shame, beta. This boy here. Just shut your mouth. Shut your mouth and do your work. मुझे पता.
मैंने क्या किसी
तो दे देना चुपचाप.
वेलकम.
क्या है तुझे?
Now in exam, beta, one question will come there on the basis of this for 4 marks. What type of question they will ask? Listen. First, have you understood the concept, beta? Myra, beta, have you understood the concept? What is who? If I undergo oxidation, then I'll be always which agent? Reducing. And if you undergo reduction, then you'll be which agent? So the one who undergo oxidation will always act as reducing agent. Are you getting it? Have you understood the concept? Please remember this example of loan, so you'll understand better. You'll understand better. You'll understand better.
Better.
बेटो अबे यार
So look, the one who undergoes oxidation, it will be which agent? Reducing. The one who undergoes reduction, it will be which agent? Achha, and how to identify who's undergoing oxidation reduction? Then you have to look at the charge. That is the best thing. Okay? Or addition of hydrogen and removal of hydrogen. Okay? But how much?
20.
Balancing में मान लिया. इतना बैलेंसिंग के 20 इक्वेशन थे वर्कशीट में, किए नहीं थे क्या?
सर बैलेंस सिर्फ मुझे बहुत इजी है.
हाँ तो अभी आई एम गोइंग टू डू दैट नाउ. हाँ
मेरा भी 3 मार्क्स का था बैलेंसिंग
सेम मेरा
सबसे पहले पूछो
मेरा बैलेंसिंग में है और फिर बाकी सब हाँ सेम है मेरा बाकी सब बैलेंसिंग और एक्सेंट मेरा भी
What happened before?
नहीं बोले 3 मार्क्स बैलेंसिंग का था
क्या कर रहे हैं
और सर मेरा बैलेंसिंग बेस्ट किया
क्यों कर रहे हैं
Just do your work.
Do we have class next week? No, sir, no Christmas.
एक देगा क्रिसमस कभी है नहीं.
Sir, I'm
Christmas is from 25th. Okay? No argue. No. It is 20,
It is 25th.
24th. It is. Just shut your mouth. Yeah. No. It is. The class is going to be there. There will be test on hydrogen. Shut your mouth. Yeah. हाँ हुआ नहीं. हाँ हुआ नहीं.
सर मैं नेक्स्ट क्लास
Yeah, sir, I'm going to Bangalore. Sir, I'm going to Kerala.
No, whatever it may be. I am not bothered. I am going to keep my test. I am going to keep the test. ठीक है बेटा? Okay.
Sir, don't keep.
No.
Sir,
तुम्हारे वो रिवीजन के चक्कर में लास्ट टाइम केमिकल रिएक्शन का टेस्ट नहीं हो पाया था. समझा ना? चलो बेटा अभी now what important question they will ask. Listen carefully. Listen carefully.
सर इसका नहीं करना
हाँ. Listen carefully.
next year.
Listen carefully. Now, in exam, I will give you one question. And beta, I'll tell you who is undergoing oxidation, who is undergoing reduction and everything like that. Okay? So, yeah.
Sir, मेरे को वो worksheet नहीं मिली।
कौन सी?
और ना सीरीज।
कौन सी वर्षन?
एक दिया था ना सर आज के
हाँ, sorry, sorry।
किसने दिया
ये दोनों वर्कशीट मिला है दोनों. क्या दे? क्या नहीं मिला वर्कशीट? हाँ.
अच्छा मेरी को गई
सर हो गई नहीं मेरे को मालूम नहीं. कौन सा नहीं था? तू नहीं था? लास्ट क्लास नहीं था? हाँ.
क्लास टू लास्ट क्लास
बुक दे तेरा. बुक दे. वो ये बुक दे तेरा. हाँ ले इधर दे. बुक दे इधर दे.
हाँ
सर ये ऑनलाइन क्लास ज्वाइन करके सो गया उसे ज्वाइन
नहीं फिर निकल भी गया
निकल भी क्यों उसे हमने हटा दिया खुद से
बेटा एक भी वर्कशीट तो कंप्लीट ही नहीं कर रहा है बेटा.
सर किया थोड़ी वर्कशीट घर पे भी
तेरे पेरेंट्स अभी शाम को कुछ बोले कि शौर्य 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 तेरे पेरेंट्स आपको कुछ बोला
ले ले बेटा.
नहीं
ले ले तेरे को दे देता है. ले खुश रहे. ठीक है आ जाओ. नाउ व्हाट टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन दे विल आस्क. ए बेबी प्लीज संभालो. हाँ बेटा बस ठीक है. चलो आ जाओ. हेलो पे अटेंशन यार. Now I'm giving you very simple reaction. Please tell me what is happening here. You have to tell me. Okay. In exam, I'll give you this simple reaction and I'll ask you this many questions. CO plus CuO plus hydrogen gives me Cu plus H2. Now, what all thing I'll ask in the question data? Who is undergoing oxidation? Wait, shut your mouth. Who is undergoing reduction? Then who is your oxidizing agent? Listen carefully. Who is your reducing agent? Reducing agent. Then beta they will ask you oxidized product. Product means you have to look on which side of the reaction? Right hand side. That is the product. Okay. Who is your reduced product? Reduced product. Book beta whenever there is a product, this side is reactants. This side are what? In a chemical reaction, this side is what? Your product. Now in exam, if I tell you, I have to now identify. Acha, oxidation means what? Addition of oxygen. क्लियर है? अब ये रिएक्टेंट देखो बेटा, यहाँ पर रिएक्टेंट में क्या हुआ, हाइड्रोजन यहाँ पे H2 था, यहाँ पे क्या है बोलो? तो इसमें क्या ऐड हो गया? शिवेन क्या ऐड हो गया इसमें? हाँ हाँ, तो एडिशन ऑफ ऑक्सीजन इज व्हाट बेटा? ऑक्सीडेशन। हाँ, तो हु इज अंडरगोइंग ऑक्सीडेशन? H2, H2O नहीं, H2। reactant side wale will undergo, always remember the one who is undergoing oxidation and the one who is agent will be always on the reactant side. Now we have studied today. So now you only tell me the one who undergoes oxidation, it will be which agent? Very good. So reducing agent is also a hydrogen. Clear? Myra beta, now you tell me this copper oxide, it is becoming what?
Reduction.
Wait, are you Myra? Have you changed your gender? Then tell me. Pay attention here. Myra beta, listen now. Listen enough. Myra beta, tell me, copper oxide has become copper. So what is here? What is happening here? Removal of oxygen or hey, Harjai and this boy here. Shut your mouth. Hey, shut your mouth. Shut your mouth. This boy here, stand up. So you, why don't you pick it up? Why are you disturbing others? Forget about that now. No. Now pay attention here. Yeah. I'll tell you one trick always. If there are two reactant, अगर एक oxidation में गया तो by default other will be always reduction. अगर किसी एक का भी आपको पता चल गया तो other will be what? Opposite of that. Suppose if I'm undergoing oxidation, then the second reactant will be what? Reduction. If one reactant is oxidation, then I'll be undergoing what? Reduction. Now copper oxide, Myra beta, copper oxide has become copper. So removal of oxygen or not, tell me. So this is undergoing which process? So who is undergoing reduction?
The oxidizing agent.
Yes, the one who undergoes reduction, it will be which agent? Oxidant. Agent will be also always on the which?
Oxidized product is H2O and reduced product is C.
Now if I say oxidized product, या मल्होत्रा यहाँ पे बोल, oxidized product मतलब ये oxidation का right hand side में कौन है बोलो बेटा? H2O. And reduced product is which one बेटा? CU. चलो copy this. 6 types of different question can come. Myra beta, have you understood this concept? Maisha. Just shut your mouth and start writing. Nobody talks. Online students, are you getting it, dear? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Aditi, Purnima, Arya, Araya, what is this? Shut your mouth.
Para.
Hey.
सर that's it. एक पूरा नहीं मारोगे तो एक क्वेश्चन पूछूं?
हाँ बोलो.
सर आपकी उंगली पे क्या हुआ?
बाद में बताओ बेटा, यहाँ पे ध्यान दे बेटा. ओके डन. चलो बेटा आ जाओ. I am giving now another question and this you will do on your own. You are going to do this on your own. Oh. ये इरेज कर दूं ऊपर का रिएक्शन एटलीस्ट. I want you all to do this on your. I want you all to do this on your own.
So they're talking.
Nobody will answer. Do this on your own. You have to identify all these things.
Yeah.
Shut your mouth and do on your own. Nobody will answer. तो H O नहीं है तो H है ना. What was oxidation reduction? See the depth. हाँ तो तू देख ना बेटा एडी देख यहाँ पे क्या था एडिशन ऑफ हाइड्रोजन इज रिडक्शन एंड एडिशन ऑफ रिमूवल ऑफ हाइड्रोजन इज ऑक्सीडेशन. दैट लॉजिक यू विल यूज. Do this on your own. Nobody will answer. Only the person whom I'll ask, that person will answer. Definition देख लो पहले ऑक्सीडेशन रिडक्शन का. That will help you.
So which one will be reduction?
You know, first you see the definition here. Here oxygen is not there, so with definition you will see this. Addition of hydrogen is
इसमें.
and removal of hydrogen is oxidation.
So ये reduction. What's the removal of hydrogen का?
अरे बेटा ये देखो बेटा एक काम करो बेटा सबसे पहला फर्स्ट यू डू आई एम गिविंग यू 30 seconds and then I'll answer. Nobody will talk. You use your logic. Use your logic. बेटा इतना सिंपल है देखो ना बेटा.
सर एग्जांपल सर्कल बता दो.
चलो मैं आपको एक खाली हिंट देता हूँ. बेटा यहाँ पे क्लोरीन है यहाँ पे HCl है. भी थोड़ा सोचो कोई आंसर नहीं बोलेगा.
So can you just make those?
नो हाँ तो ये ले बेटा बस ये एरो मैंने बना दिया.
And write.
No that I'm not going to write. That you have to tell me. Shut your mouth. बेटा इतना बेसिक नहीं आ रहा है तुझे बेटा. मैं इतने अच्छे से बता रहा. अच्छा यहाँ पे तू ये देख ना क्लोरीन ए यहाँ पे अकेला क्लोरीन है. यहाँ पे क्या हो गया
Got it, sir. Got it.
हाँ, यहाँ पे क्लोरीन और यहाँ पे क्या है
HCl.
हाँ तो क्या ऐड हो गया उसमें क्लोरीन के अंदर. अच्छा एडिशन ऑफ हाइड्रोजन क्या था बोल. तो फिर
सर शुड आई टेल यू द आंसर.
So every time.
ऑक्सीडेशन.
अच्छा अभी इसको देख ये पिंक वाले को क्या हो रहा है इसमें.
कर रहा है.
हाँ तो हाइड्रोजन जा रहा है तो रिमूवल ऑफ हाइड्रोजन क्या होता है. तो फिर
Here do the reduction agent. And you're telling me.
so who is undergoing oxidation. H2N. Is the one who undergoes oxidation it is which agent. Who is undergoing reduction. So Cl2 is reduction so it is which agent.
Oxidizing agent.
Now tell me who is your oxidized product side में कौन है. ऑक्सीडेशन का राइट हैंड साइड में देखो कौन है. S. रेडियो पे कौन है. मायरा बेटा हैव यू अंडरस्टूड द कॉन्सेप्ट. पक्का.
ऑक्सीडाइज Cl2 HCl like बढ़ रहा है then 60.
हाँ बढ़ क्या रहा है. व्हाट बढ़ रहा है बेटा. तूने इसलिए नहीं बोला वहां पे डेफिनेशन पढ़ा रहा था वहां पे टाइम पास कर रहा था तू. एडिशन ऑफ हाइड्रोजन इज व्हाट ऑक्सीडेशन. बेटा यार इतना मैं बता रहा तुम लोग बातें करते हो टाइम पास करते हो. यहाँ पर ये अभी लिखवाया था ना ये क्या है बोल. एडिशन ऑफ हाइड्रोजन क्या है एंड रिमूवल ऑफ हाइड्रोजन इज. तो फिर that is I have given all the definition. यहाँ पे देख इसमें हाइड्रोजन ऐड हुआ कि नहीं बोल. अभी ये क्लोरीन था ये HCl हुआ कि नहीं. तो रिडक्शन में गया कि नहीं बोल. अच्छा ये H2S से S बन गया तो हाइड्रोजन गायब हुआ कि नहीं. रिमूवल ऑफ हाइड्रोजन इज व्हाट
Oxidation.
ये भी लिख के दो क्या तेरे को यहाँ पे ये हिले. एडिशन ऑफ हाइड्रोजन राइट इट जा. यहाँ पे क्या लिखेगा बेटा? रिमूवल ऑफ हाइड्रोजन, राइट? डिफरेंशिएट ऑफ ऑल
लिखा है।
मैं लास्ट टाइम ही लिखा था. यू हैव नॉट रिटन डियर. लास्ट क्लास वी रोट बेटा एंटायर थिंग. I'll share in the group also, bro. Don't you worry. Yeah. Okay. Any difficulty till here?
No, sir.
Pay attention here now. So, beta, what I have done here, listen carefully. I hope all of you have copied this. Now, I'll tell you, beta, last class till where we have done. This is your hydrogen chapter. Remember, I made you write everything almost. Boss process, everything we have done. We have done all this thing. We have done the reaction with cold water, steam, then dilute acid, then alkali. Right, beta? Then, beta, we have done this electrolysis. Right, na? Last class we have done. Last class, what I made you write, beta? Yeah, oxidative reaction all we have done, na, beta? Right, na? Electrolysis we have not done. Boss process, where it is? Boss process. Boss process we did, na? Arey, electrolysis and this the laboratory method we did. Arey, we did this Boss process. I made you write in the textbook only, I guess. Yeah, pick it up. Beta, you have you attended the class na at least? You forgot. लिखवाया नहीं था बट मैंने टेक्स्ट बुक में मार्क करवाया था. Okay. Anyways, beta, Boss process again I am doing. What is the industrial method? Industrial method मैंने टेक्स्ट बुक में लिखा. What was the industrial method, beta? Boss process. In Boss process, what we do, beta? Coke and steam. The reactor, white hot coke, 1000 degree. First step is what, beta? If I write minus triangle, then it is which process? I made you write in the textbook, beta. It is what? Which process? Endothermic. Right? Acha. A, what is this? CO plus H2 together is known as what? Water gas. Together they are known as what, beta? Now in second step, what I do? I take water gas and I pass steam through it. What I pass? Steam. Steam I will pass through it at temperature 450 degree. So what I get? CO2 and H2 and this plus triangle. So it is what, beta? In exam they will tell you what is the first step? Endothermic. Second step is exo. Now they will ask you who is the catalyst used in second step? Iron 3 oxide. Iron. Who is the promoter here? Chromic oxide. This is very, very important. Chromium 3 oxide or chromic oxide. This is, yeah, this whole thing is very, very important. I'll make you write also anyways. Now, beta, I was interested in what, beta? I am interested only in what, beta? Hydrogen. I'm interested only in what? So I want to get rid of these two or not, tell me. So how to remove these two gases, they will tell you. So you have to remember how to remove carbon dioxide. How to remove carbon dioxide? By dissolving this very, very important. Carbon dioxide is removed by dissolving the mixture into caustic potash solution. Caustic, nobody will ask the reaction. Carbon monoxide is removed by dissolving the mixture into ammoniacal cuprous chloride. Ammoniacal cuprous chloride means in cuprous chloride I have added ammonia solution. I have added what? Ammonia. But in exam they will ask you how to remove. Sit properly fast. Sit properly. By dissolving the mixture in ammoniacal cuprous chloride. How to remove CO2? By dissolving the mixture into caustic potash solution. Caustic potash solution. This they will ask. Very, very. What is the first step? In first step, what you get? Water gas. What you get? What is the formula of water gas? CO plus H2. First step is what? Endothermic. Coke means carbon ka form it is. White hot coke. Second step mein beta you get CO2 and in second step beta it is exothermic. Okay. Then beta they will ask you this. Hello. Who is the catalyst in the first step? Iron 3 oxide or ferric oxide. And promoter is chromic oxide. Suppose if I given you hydrogen and carbon dioxide, how will you separate both? How will you separate both? By dissolving the mixture into caustic potash. I have given you the mixture of hydrogen and carbon monoxide. Hydrogen and carbon monoxide. Okay. So How will you remove that?
8.6.
By dissolve, no, by dissolving the mixture into ammoniacal cuprous chloride solution. Ammoniacal cuprous chloride solution. ठीक है बेटा? Yeah. Then A.
The other one is what? Potash.
Copper dioxide by dissolving the mixture into caustic potash solution. Now beta this electrolysis. In electrolysis beta pure water is a bad conductor. This we have done in chemical reaction. We have done pure okay. Enough. Pure water.
What's the time?
6:10.
Pure water is what beta? Pure water is bad conductor, non-electrolyte. So we add what beta? Few drops of dilute H2SO4 to make it a good conductor. Now we have studied in chemical reaction when we pass electric current through acidified water, you get hydrogen and oxygen. Electrolysis or electrolytic decomposition. Do you know this beta? We have done. Now in this beta, now what all thing you have to remember? First of all, distilled water, very good. Distilled water does not conduct free ions. Therefore, we add acid to produce free ions. Acidified water will conduct electricity. Pure water or distilled water will not conduct electricity. Okay. Now in exam, they will give you this. Now here, if you see, when I pass current through this, can you see beta? You have to write, what all thing you have to write? Listen. First, you have to write acidified water. If you write only water, you lose mass. On arrow, what you will write? Current, electric current.
Sir,
Yeah, go. नहीं एक एक जन जाएगा एक जन okay exam में they will ask you who is your anode and who is your cathode. How to remember beta? Which is papa positive. Papa is positive anode. The positive is anode. Cartoon. Cathode is negative.
Cooked. 6:9.
Listen. What is the ratio of volume by hydrogen? 2:1. Acha, exam mein they will ask you what is anode? It is the electrode connected to which terminal? Positive terminal. Papa positive. Cartoon cathode negative. Connected to which terminal? Is this clear to all of you? Yeah. Papa positive, pa anode. Cartoon. Papa cartoon. Right? They will ask you this. Acha, here beta, if you see the more volume is your hydrogen, less volume is oxygen. Okay? Diagram based question they may ask. Now beta, we have done properties of hydrogen. Hydrogen is colorless, odorless, tasteless. It is the lightest gas. In MCQ they can ask, it is what beta? Lightest. It is very, very slightly soluble in water. Yeah. It is a neutral. Neutral beta. It is a neutral beta. If neutral. With litmus paper, no color change.
Burns the pops out.
Okay. Now beta, it is lighter. How to prove? Here I have taken soap solution. From here, what will go? Hydrogen. Hydrogen. ए भाई इधर देख क्लास इधर है ना now hydrogen will enter into this bubble and hydrogen will blow up, and if you bring a burning candle to this, it will burn with pop sound. It will burn with yeah, go. Hydrogen is lighter than air beta. Clear? Suppose if I have taken here air and the hydrogen will go up. And if you take a burning splint, you will see pop sound in the upper test tube. So it is what? Lighter than air. Then beta, chemical property. It burns quite pure hydrogen. It is very important. Distinguish between pure hydrogen and impure hydrogen. So pure hydrogen burns quietly with pale blue flame. but hydrogen air mixture or impure hydrogen explodes with observe. Hydrogen plus oxygen, beta, can you see this? Water, pale blue flame you will get. Hydrogen, all these are which reaction, beta? Combination. Can you see this? Only one product I am getting or not? Tell me. Hydrogen, only one product I am getting or not? Acha, here it is very important. Whenever hydrogen reacts with chlorine, we have to take what? Beta, diffuse sunlight. What happens if you take direct sunlight? Reaction becomes explosive. Acha, nitrogen plus hydrogen, this is what, beta? Ammonia, but you have to write temperature. Do you remember, beta? We have done this in chemical reaction. 450 to 500. Pressure is 200 to 900. Catalyst is iron. And here we used to use promoter also. Who was the promoter? No, promoter was molybdenum. Molybdenum. I made you write in chemical reaction. Yeah, in that colored paper, big paper. Very nice. Hydrogen when react with sulfur, it produces hydrogen sulfide. Rotten X smell gas. Hydrogen sulfide is what, beta? Rotten. Acha, now, now tell me, beta. Very good, beta. Pay attention here now. Pay attention here. अक्षर बेटा बाद में हंस फोन देख के यहाँ पे देख जिंक ऑक्साइड से क्या बन रहा है जिंक क्लियर है तो यहाँ पे ध्यान दे यार हाइड्रोजन इसको रेड्यूस कर दिया तो व्हाट इज द रोल ऑफ हाइड्रोजन इन ऑल दिस रिएक्शन रेड्यूसिंग देख बेटा इसने देख ना जिंक ऑक्साइड को रेड्यूस कर दिया ना जिंक में आयन ऑक्साइड को रेड्यूस कर दिया कि नहीं तो हाइड्रोजन एक्ट एज विच एजेंट रेड्यूसिंग एजेंट hydrogen is a strong reducing agent. It reduces metal oxide to corresponding metal. Can you see zinc oxide has been reduced to zinc. Iron oxide has been reduced to iron. Lead oxide has been reduced to lead. Copper oxide has been reduced to copper. Now hydrogenation reaction beta. This oil beta, we have two type of ghee we use at home. One ghee we will get from animals, cow, buffalo. Cow and buffalo we get that is animal fat. But beta we can prepare ghee from plant also. Plant. Palm tree.
We get from cow.
Palm tree.
Milk we get from milk we get.
Palm tree से palm oil मिलता है we convert that into ghee. Okay, that is called as vanaspati because green vegetables and plant we call them as vanaspati. So this is known as hydrogenation of oil where oil is converted into semi-solid fat. So we are converting it into ghee. Oil is converted into ghee. So now what we do in that we add hydrogen to oil at 200 degree in presence of catalyst. They will ask which are the catalysts? Platinum or nickel. Platinum or nickel. Okay. Hydrogen beta. Hydrogen is non-supporter of combustion. It does not allow other substance to burn in it. So look beta, I have taken hydrogen and here there is a candle. So if I diagram based question, if I put नहीं बुझ जाएगा बेटा burns at the mouth and pan में candle बाद में क्या हो जाएगा So hydrogen is combustible but does not support combustion. Reducing agent, beta. We have to prove that hydrogen is a reducing agent. So beta, this is copper oxide. When you add hydrogen to it, what will happen? So copper oxide is which color? Black color. Hydrogen के साथ react होके ये क्या बन जाएगा? Reddish brown metal. It will become reddish brown. अरे रिडक्शन अरे कॉपर ऑक्साइड से कॉपर बन गया कि नहीं कॉपर ऑक्साइड वाज ब्लैक कलर नाउ इट इज व्हिच कलर रेडिश ब्राउन राइट योर ऑब्जर्वेशन व्हेन कॉपर ऑक्साइड रिएक्ट विद हाइड्रोजन तो व्हाट विल से ब्लैक कलर कंपाउंड विल गिव यू रेडिश ब्राउन मेटल reddish brown metal combustion of hydrogen in air hydrogen whenever react with oxygen it will give you what beta H2 okay Then uses बेटा for welding बेटा we use the flame ये ग्रिल होता है ना बेटा विंडो के बाहर आयरन ग्रिल तो उसको हम लोग कट कैसे करते हैं बेटा ज्वाइंट करने के लिए what we use mixture of hydrogen and oxygen. Hydrogen react with hydrogen form explosive mixture with air and the reaction is highly exothermic. तो हाइड्रोजन ऑक्सीजन फ्लेम का टेम्परेचर कितना होता है बोलो बेटा 2000. तो बेटा इतने डिग्री पे बेटा हाँ सो एट दिस मच at at this temperature the iron will melt easily and it will cut. Clear है बेटा वेल्डिंग एंड कटिंग के लिए. Then we have studied hydrogenation of oil. ऑयल को हम लोग किसमें कन्वर्ट करते हैं हाँ सो हाइड्रोजन इज एडेड इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ कैटलिस्ट लाइक निकल. कैन यू सी वनस्पति घी. It is used in the preparation of ammonia. Ammonia is used in explosive fertilizer. नो पनीर में हाइड्रोजनेशन नहीं होता वो मिल्क से बनता है. कर्डलिंग ऑफ मिल्क भी नहीं होता बेटा. ऑल दिस इज नेचुरल बेटा. अरे आई
Banana was there in the
Actually,
textbook.
कुछ मिलता है.
Somewhere.
it is used in the preparation of ammonia. From ammonia I can prepare fertilizer like urea. I can prepare nitric acid and I can prepare explosive. Now in exam they will tell you what is the distinguish between what is the test for pure hydrogen. Very very important question. Pure hydrogen burns quietly with pale blue flame forming water. But impure hydrogen or hydrogen air mixture will burn with ops now. Then beta today I completed last class we have done this oxidation and reduction. Okay, look here addition of oxygen. Okay, now here removal of hydrogen. Can you see here loss of electron oxidation reduction all this we did. Then beta we did redox reaction. In exam they will ask what is a redox reaction. It is a reaction in which oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously. Then beta we have studied oxidizing agent. Now in exam what question they will ask. Okay, what are oxidizing agent? They are the agent which what will happen beta they oxidizes other and itself get reduced. Clear hai beta? Now reduction. Okay, example of oxidizing agent oxygen, chlorine, hydrogen peroxide, concentrated sulfuric acid, concentrated night. What are reducing agent which gain oxygen or lose hydrogen or donate? Reducing the one who are reducing agent, they will always undergo what? Oxidation. They will always undergo. Take it beta. The substance get reduced beta and act as which agent? Oxidizing. And the substance which get oxidized act as which agent? I gave you beta in writing or not? Tell me. Now in exam they will ask you who is the reducing agent which is a basic gas? Ammonia. Who's the reducing agent which has a Rotanex smell? H2S. Hydrogen act as which agent? Reducing it. Metal also act as which agent? Reducing. Now I want all of you to write this part. Okay, yes, this. No, you wrote, but you write this. Metal undergoes oxidation but act as reducing agent. Non-metal undergoes reduction but act as oxidizing agent. Write this too.
So someone is knocking.
Let it be.
I know blue t-shirt. Ramesh? Sorry.
तुम लोग मुझे छोड़ोगे ना देख ठीक है अच्छी बात है और मुझे ऐसे लोग खुद को कभी
It's actually fun. Después quitamos.
पर हमने आठ तरह में टेस्ट किया इथेन के साथ
Let's go eat it. Thanks, Surya.
बहुत मजा आता है
अभी actually very
ये भाई
I think you're very mad.
Done.
no sir yeah sir
Okay. Now, beta. Hello. Okay. Now, listen, beta. Shh. Okay. Look, beta. Look. Okay. Now, shh. I have given you worksheet and beta, look what type of question they generally ask.
student check homework
Yeah, I'm going to do that now. Aja beta. Come here.
Shania.
Pay attention here now.
abhi is gonna discuss
Okay. The most abundant element in the universe is which one?
no
An atom of hydrogen has
One proton, one electron.
one proton and one electron.
मन में
Organic compound contains
CHO.
carbon, hydrogen, and
this is
CHO.
you have not got the worksheet, beta.
the ship
Metal oxide.
मिला था कि नहीं?
React with
ACAB.
hydroxide.
ACAB.
Metal hydroxide.
Hey, potassium.
ACAB
So it will give you what? Metal hydroxide. Metal.
वापस ACB
Metal which react with steel. Iron.
देखा मैंने बोला
Metal zinc react with
नहीं
sodium zincate. Gives you sodium zincate. क्या हुआ तेरा किधर है वर्कशीट?
ये कैसे
उसके बाद ये दो फिर मैं
It is blue.
दिया था मैंने, तू लेके नहीं आया ऐसा बोल. समझा ना, तेरे को इसको देने के लिए दिया था. हाँ, मिल दिया था ना उसने. तो तेरा पास तेरा घर पे रख के आया.
ब्लैक दे ब्लैक
A metal which displaces hydrogen. Iron. Okay. The most active metal. Potassium. करीना ने कार मांगी तो सबसे ऊपर कौन है? करीना. The one which is below hydrogen will not displace it. Now, beta, I want to tell you very simple thing, beta. Before doing this, I want to teach you. Please write in your book. Please write this. I am going to do some basic balancing. Now, beta, whenever in balancing, they say no. No. Whenever I say hydrogen in chemical reaction, hydrogen, you will write it as H2. Oxygen, whenever I say, you will write it as O2. If I write only chlorine in chemical reaction, you will write it as Cl2. If I write only nitrogen, you will write it as N2. Whenever I write ammonia, I will write it as NH3. If I write only bromine in a reaction, bromine is written as Br2. If I write only iodine, then you'll write it as I2.
So this,
I want you to write this. Just shut your mouth and do what I'm saying. Yeah. Yeah, I'm toxic.
oh,
Just shut your mouth. Okay? I'm toxic raised to infinity.
So don't act like Aradhya Singh.
oh,
मैं क्या करूँ कि मन
चुपचाप बैठ. Bas. Shut your mouth. Just shut it.
never gonna choose
अरे यार
वो तो तेरे को भी बताई वो सबको बताई वो ओबी को भी बताई थी
Sit.
पाठक
You know, you not take us the song. Oh,
I'm going to eat chicken.
I'll come I can't. These all these dogs are. Sir, so what do But it's okay. I can see. See, you want to see? Look.
What are the side वाले?
साइड वाला एक ही है NH3 अमोनिया.
सर अब बताओ क्या सर अब बता दो आपके इंडेक्स पे बोलो क्या
सर
Okay. Now, one basic reaction I'm giving you, pay attention. Hello. A. If I tell you, बेटा मैं तेरे को ना लूंगा नहीं, तू बात बहुत करता है, तुम दोनों. नाइट्रोजन प्लस हाइड्रोजन
नाइट्रोजन प्लस हाइड्रोजन
gives you ammonia.
में है.
Yes. Okay, Myra beta, what you'll write? Nitrogen it is given. Whenever nitrogen is given, what you'll write? Only nitrogen is given. And in what equation? What you'll write? N or N2? N2. When only hydrogen is given, then what you write?
And
H2. And ammonia is what? Now, what you have to do first? Which all different element are? No talking. Absolutely no talking. Here beta, who is there? N. And here it is H. Listen. Myra beta, how many nitrogen are on this side?
2.
How many hydrogen on this side? How many nitrogen on this side?
1.
How many hydrogen here? Now what I have to do, Myra, tell me. This is 2, so I have to make it 2 or not, tell me. So I'll put here A list. The moment I put here 2, शिवेन यहाँ पे ध्यान दे. Wait. तो यहाँ पे 2 डालने के बाद क्या हो जाएगा? This will become 2. 2 into 3, it has become 6. Now here it is 2 na beta. So what I have to do? I have to make it 6. So on which table? 3. So now you see Myra beta here. Look, 2, 2, 6, 6. So equation is balanced or not? Tell me, dear.
6.
Next question. Have you understood this balancing? Now in A, shall we go to the next part?
I guess so.
Okay. Now the next balancing I am giving you. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now if I give you this balancing, listen, pay attention here. Sodium carbonate.
क्या
Wait, beta. Just 5 minutes. Give me 5. Yeah, I recognize you. 5 minutes. Wait, 5 minutes.
सर जल्दी कर मेरा
That's so random there.
This was the question which had come in your exam. Hey, pay attention here now. Enough. This is what, beta? Which element is here? Na. Here it is what? C. Here it is O, H, and Cl. How many Na on this side?
2.
How many C?
1.
How many O?
3.
How many H?
1.
How many Cl?
1.
On this side, how many Na?
1.
How many C?
1.
How many O? 1 plus 2. H is 2. Cl is. Now what I have to do? Tell me. Na, यहाँ पे 2. Here I'll put 2. Here I'll put here 2 or not. The moment I put here 2, this will become 2 and Cl will also become 2 or not. Tell me. Okay. अच्छा अभी ये Cl यहाँ पे 2 है तो यहाँ पे 2 करना पड़ेगा कि नहीं बोलो. एक मिनट. Are you getting it, Myra? So I'll write here 2. The moment I write here 2, my H will become 2. Cl also 2. Now you see, beta. 2, 2, 1, 1, 3, 3, 2, 2. I am giving you a hard. What you got harder one? So I am giving you that also. Wait. I know. So what? I'll do that also. Don't worry. Okay. यहाँ तक हो गया. Next class I will do the harder one नहीं. I'll take many. I'll do many. ठीक है. Homework करना है बेटा, वो complete करना है. Next class you are going to break this hydrogen का worksheet. Okay. Chalo then. Bye bye. Bye bye.
बताओ